How to add another email to Mail app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Mail and tap on it. You are now in the Mail settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, customize how your mail appears and works and more. Go to Mail Accounts. Here, tap on Add Account in the Account section. Then, choose the account you want to add from here. For example, Google. Now, type in your email address over here. After that, tap on Next to proceed. Then, complete all the steps required to add this account to your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily add another email to Mail app on iPhone.